Hey guys, it's me Millie here. Today I am playing Bed Wars. We're doing doubles with Maisie, Daisy, D. That's what it is. But she's actually.
I'm not gonna put my full screen there.
Millie sees me rolling. Say that. I'm about to put some music on. Oh yeah, I'm not on. Mate, so we're going to hit song, yeah?
Yeah,
Where the hell are you?
oh wait, I need to invite you to a party.
Then I'm going to bed one from. Yeah. Okay, I'll invite you. Okay. Now. No. Yeah. Hi, Maeve. I am here.
Hey guys! We're actually playing Minecraft. My computer, I don't want to get intro, so I actually wanted to play it. So, today I'm with Molly, that's the other, she's there. We're playing double Bed Wars. So, I've never played Bed Wars before.
You can't see me, but I see Maisie.
Hey, 3, 2, 1, go!
I put some music on.
Millie's here.
Yeah. Maisie, I'm right here. Maisie! You like my skin? Because I'm a fox. Me too, but Maisie won't let me. Finally, I finally got Fogo. Enough. Maze, are you gonna stay with me? Stay the Faye.
turn that way. Dad. Oh, should we stop? And use my dog. My dog, and then I'll be fine.
Okay. No, it's mine.
Snow White.
This has a naughty word in it.
Elsa, let the rap battle begin.
It's not lame that my aim here's to tell you the truth. I'll hit it out of the park like my name is Babe Ruth. Got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The fact that you can't claim the same is really a shame. I'm the original princess. You're a copy of a copy. I am porcelain and perfect, and your floppy hair is sloppy. I'm fragile but agile, rarely cross. I am sweet, you can tweet. I'm a treat like a boss.
Who the hell are you to step to me? An aimless airhead with a vitamin D deficiency? You got no skills cause you're focused on your looks. And let's get to what was up with you and those 7 schnooks. I've heard you sing, it's a high-pitched chirp. You're dopey, you're a bashful twerp. That squeaky meek demeanor is an awful choice. I can drown you out right now with my powerful voice.
You should know that's not singing, you're just yelling. At least now I can't hear the mean lies you're telling. You could have grieved with your sister from the start, but no, you're the one who's really got a frozen heart. You were selfish and deluded when it comes down to it. Had the chance to do better, but like a porn star you blew it. As for your powers, they're hardly legit. You built a whole castle with nowhere to sit. Does it really count as magic if when you let it go? The only thing that moves is ice and snow. I talk to animals and it always impresses. You're just a blonde snowblower in sparkly dresses.
That's right, manipulating snow. I'm the best at that game, which means you're on my control, cause that's your stupid name. And who eats it?
Why don't you just take it out of the
Who
thing?
needs a man to save and kiss ya? I'm savvy, strong, single, and so independent. You're the weakest role model, why I am transcendent. You're a forgotten bygone, yes, time is the cruelest. I'm the newest, the boldest, and literally the coolest. So step aside and hide, go find a cottage to clean. You're one ditzy princess, I'm a motherfucking queen.
Maze, I'm so scared to get down to look at which will I have. Look, Maze. Look. There are loads of will. Whoa. Probably they're scared, Maisie. What happened?
Once upon a time, in a faraway land,
What did you do?
there was a princess. Cinderella.
What do you have? Fireballs?
Versus Belle. Let the rap battle begin.
Some.
Shadow come to covet my crown. You thugs wanna throw down with the best in a gown. I'm the legendary story of rags to riches. Rhyme sharper than a needle and I'm giving out stitches. Like a wilted rose, you can't step to my blows. These girls are tripping, they cut off their toes. I deserve all the praise for the foot fetish trade. I got itty bitty kicks, but legs for days. Let's look at your mentality. Freud loves your abnormality. The Stockholm Syndrome story, beauty and the bestiality. Of course you're bitter. I'm the #1 star. Pumpkin carriage, perfect marriage. No one cares who you are.
What's my name? Belle. What's it mean? Beauty. I'm the perfect combination.
Belle.
Well,
Why?
you're losing your pumps. But this is Paul's perfect shop condition outlook. Cindy's dreaming she's important. Well, somebody should wake her. This gold digging trophy wife's the royal baby maker. You're the nerdy wordy princess, cause I'm throwing more shade in the willow tree. Throwing on your cat mother's grave. Your tale is old as time, sets us back 50 years. Do your chores, clean the floors till a man just appears. You're shallow and obsessed with looks and how you're dressed. You wanna live like Gaston? Please be our guest.
Oh, I'm the one who's shallow because your prince was really hairy. The beast was in the friend zone till he gave you his library. Your points have no merit. You're jealous, declare it. Like I've always said, if the shoe fits, wear it. I'm the American dream with a shine. Some things are meant to be, like love at first sight. Beepity boppity booyah, he was mine before midnight.
A relationship rookie wants to rap about romance. You can't fall in love after just one dance. My friend saved my life, and don't be misled. I want a man in the street, but a beast in the bed. Your film stars racing cats,
Bye-bye.
old fat fairy. Your silly story shoehorned into freaking Tom and Jerry. You say you want a party, next you run off down the hall. It's like you always choke
Yeah.
when you make it to the ball.
You think that's funny? Here's a history lesson, honey. My movie saved the studio when Walt was out of money. You followed in my footsteps. Without me, there's no you. Disney built an empire on these tiny glass sheets.
You're so adored. Where's your Academy Award? I'm the smart female heroine that can't be ignored. The moral of our quarrel and why I've got you beat, it's what's inside that matters, not the size of your feet.
Millie, we pass our bake, quick.
I can't.
Thanks, Melody Cinderella.
Who would you like to see rap battle? Please comment.
I just got knocked off. And my bed is destroyed.
Okay.
Me too.
We do build that.
Yeah. Right, guys, we're doing Bill Battle now.
A portion of this video is sponsored by Pop
Yeah. Alright. So we guys have this thing. So yeah. Be better.
Stand by here.
Where are you?
Dorothy!
I'll invite you.
Alice!
Okay, mate?
Let the rap battle begin!
When you look into the mirror, I'm sure you're distressed. Your book borrowed my
Miss,
look,
where are
and
you?
you're wearing my dress. I've been rocking this game since before you were
Team
born.
mode.
This corny
Okay.
cop lost because she
So,
ain't Kansas anymore.
team mode.
Christ, your garbage squad hasn't fallen apart. Yellow-bellied, empty-headed, that one's got no heart. Double killers, caterpillars, and a madman in my room. Put you on blast, I gotta ask, who
Yeah.
are you?
I've already done it.
You're on
I mean, I
a
keep on carrying on.
quirky, stupid chicks and
Oh my
nobody
God,
can
hey
stand
guys.
that annoying girl shit. LOL, I'm so random. I got sense and sensibility like my girl Jane Austen. Rip on your tea party like they did back in Boston. Word to your moms, I'm dropping L. Frank bombs. Got more bars than Wonka, more composed than Brahms.
Come on.
We're your worst nightmare!
Miss, what did you
I'll
say?
be screaming lions, tigers, and bears. I come to free the land from
Okay,
the ball of
3,
hand. A beginning, middle, end that
1,
even kids can
go.
understand. In your sadness, you wallow. Talking rabbits, you follow. Put a bottle near your mouth. You're not thinking, you swallow.
Me too.
I didn't make the mold, but I'm the
Oh,
one
you're
who
my
broke it.
partner.
I'm the better heroine. Stick that in your pipe
Oh, yeah.
and smoke it.
I don't like my stick. I just don't like it.
No place like home, you're from a podunk prairie. Ease on down the road, cause shit is gonna get scary. What's your
Okay.
battle plan?
I
don't
want
think you understand. A coward
to
don't
do
bag a bullet
Tiger.
to Wonderland. Don't make me light up your friend, cause he's met his match. A stitched together storm and it stinks like Bandersnatch. You're washed up and washed out, you're fading and dust. Put your heels together, baby, and bugger off to Kansas.
Okay. Wait, Millie, where are you?
Who needs brains when you have this much swagger? I
I
don't even
think
gotta think it. I got
a
moves like
rock.
Jagger. I'm outstanding in my
Why?
mental classes. Teaching pros how to murder with my lack of synapses. Noggin
Sword in it.
stitching rhymes.
Oh, I'll make the rock.
Creative. Hey, that's the last straw. Let's have
Do I have to make the sword?
a tongue stealing part. Alice, you're so stupid you
But,
make me look smart.
No, mate. You're always doing the main part.
Just help me with the rock.
I'm relaxing while I'm acting through your pool like a spruce. I'm a 10 out of 10, the heavy metal player hater. I'm heartless and relentless like the fucking Terminator. Got my joints and stoop, sipping my turtle soup. Hell, I'm just blowing off steam like a
No, Maisie, I want to do the sword.
Cause I'm bulletproof. Throw your hands in the air and raise this hot tan roof.
You just need to build the rock there.
Let me yell. I'll tear 'em limb from limb. Smack a hat out the whack. I make a stack of twiddle them.
I just-
All yellow. You ain't got what I got. With a paw behind my back. I'll you all up in a knot. Outrageous and courageous. That's kind of my thing.
Okay, the black bit is the sword.
Scurry home with your friends, Miss Lobo.
This.